Get ready to level up your pizza game with the Ninja-approved Woodfire Outdoor Pizza Oven. As a pizza lover, you know that a Woodfire oven is the secret to achieving that perfect crispy crust and smoky flavor. In this video, we're putting this outdoor pizza oven to the test to see if it's worth the investment. From unboxing to cooking our first pie, we'll show you every step of the process. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pizzaiolo, you won't want to miss this review, so grab a slice and let's dive in. Product number 1. Reimagine what you can cook outdoors with the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Oven. This electric outdoor oven unlocks 8-in-1 versatility with a wide temperature range of 105 to 700 degree hours for a world of premium flavors, textures, and results at the touch of a button. Plus, add authentic Woodfire flavor to anything you make at any temperature with just 1 to 2 cup of pellets with Woodfire technology. Product number 2. The current R Pizza Oven brings restaurant-quality pizza to your home with advanced heat technology and intuitive controls. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, it reaches 850 degree Fahrenheit to deliver a perfectly crisp crust and bubbly toppings in just 2 minutes. With 5 cooking modes, smart app connectivity, and a dual-pane viewing window for precise monitoring, it ensures a seamless cooking experience. Built with premium materials, this durable and compact oven fits effortlessly into any kitchen or outdoor setup. Product number 3, the Ninja Woodfire Pizza Oven takes your outdoor cooking to the next level. With 8-in-1 functionality, it can make pizza, roasts, BBQ, grills, and more. Cook authentic artisan pizza in just 3 minutes at 700 degrees Fahrenheit with 5 settings: Neapolitan, thin crust, pan, New York, frozen. Add smoky flavor using just half a cup of pellets. With electric heat from 105 degrees to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, enjoy precise temperature control and up to 40% faster cooking. Easily roast a 12-pound turkey or bake a 12-inch pizza. Portable and versatile, this oven is the perfect choice for outdoor cooking. Product number 4, the Ninja Flip Toaster Oven and Air Fryer is the ultimate space-saving kitchen companion. With its smart design, it takes up 50% less space by flipping up for easy storage against your backsplash. Featuring 8-in-1 functionality, it lets you air fry, roast, broil, bake, toast, make pizza, bagels, and even dehydrate. Thanks to oven crisp technology with infrared heating and rapid air circulation, your meals cook evenly and up to 50% faster than traditional ovens. Its large capacity fits a 12-hour pizza, 6 slices of bread, or up to 4 LEBs of food, perfect for family meals. Energy efficient and versatile, it delivers delicious results every time. Product number 5, meet the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill and Smoker. Now you can get the ultimate outdoor cooking experience with a powerful grill that master grills, BBQ smokes, and air fries with 100% authentic smoky flavor. Powered by electricity and flavored by real burning wood pellets, Ninja Woodfire technology allows you to easily create rich, smoky flavor you can see and taste with just 1 to 2 cup of pellets. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.